we had an employee that let things come out of the store.
Okay.
About $1,000 worth of stuff. And
Is this her?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'm going to read you something and ask you a few questions. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Just speak to me about this incident.
Did you make copies of all that?
No, not yet.
Can you make copies of all that front and back, if you would?
You will be placed under arrest for grand retail theft. Yes. Tell me what's going on, Mike.
Hi,
You know what manager called?
I am the manager.
Okay, you're the one who called?
Yes.
What's going on?
And
Is this her?
yes.
Okay.
So
Is there a loss prevention person we need to talk to?
I can call her.
Okay, do you both have IDs?
I do. It's inside.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's going on?
If you want to just hang out for a second, you want to have a seat or do whatever, let's try to figure out what's going on and we'll go from there.
Okay. So you got all the information from her?
Yeah, from her and her.
Yeah, I'll talk to you for over here. Yep, so that was the loss prevention manager. Basically, I hadn't got the manager's statement, but apparently she already wrote a statement to her. So it all happened yesterday. It's just one instance.
Okay.
Over the span of 4 hours yesterday.
Okay.
The employee allowed her aunt, the employee's aunt, to basically load up entire carts of whatever. I mean, over $1,000 worth of stuff, and she would scan like one or two things.
She would?
The employee would, yeah, the employee would
So she
scan.
was understanding?
Yeah, the employee would scan one or two things and let the aunt
Are they
walk
wanting-
out. She wants to press charges.
So they're both going to go?
They don't know the aunt's name, and the employee apparently wouldn't tell her. So, but yeah, so.
Oh, if that's the case, then she can...
But apparently you want me. I'll go inside with the manager, get
Yeah,
that.
I need the surveillance video, and if they can give us an idea of what all was taken, we need a receipt.
Yeah. Let me go. She should have all that. Go ahead and have all that ready.
Okay.
And I'll go in there with her, get all that.
I'll go do that. I'll Mirandize her and talk to her real quick. And
Okay. But apparently she already admitted everything on their written statement. So
that's fine.
All right.
We're still
I'll go with the manager.
All right.
All right, Sherry. Even here.
All right. I'm going to read you something and ask you a few questions. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish to speak to me about this incident.
That's fine. So
Yeah, because it's kind of a tricky situation
that's the statement she wrote.
with her aunt. So, her knowingly scanning and
Yeah.
allowing her to steal, that's a criminal offense in itself, but
Well, about 15 minutes ago, the ladies who were the last ones to come through with stuff came back in, and their carts are still sitting over there when they realized I wouldn't let her come out and bring them out.
okay.
I have pictures of the transaction from the register because it wouldn't let me reprint them.
Okay.
So, this is what she rang up. That's what she gave away. And I can show you on the big camera too. And then she rang up a drink, and that's the cart he pushed out.
And the only thing she rang up was the drink?
The drink, yeah. That's the actual receipt for the transaction.
Okay.
And that's on the drum drive.
Can you, this is all on the trunk drive?
Yeah.
So I can take this, right?
Yes.
Cool.
She told me to have it already, so.
Yeah, that makes everything a little easier. Hey,
Give her 16.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put my stuff here.
And then this
And
is,
the employee is Amy Rankin, I'm
Yeah.
guessing. Okay.
and she signed it, so. And she put her employee number. I didn't, I don't know if you need the original or the copy. I was just told to make a copy of it, so. And then these are, like, when I went through and watched the video, I didn't put all of this on there because it wouldn't have fit, but
What is all, oh, okay.
this is the list of stuff I could see in the cards that got taken.
Can you did you make copies of all that?
No, not yet.
You make copies of all that, front and back, if you would?
You will be placed under arrest for grand retail theft. Yes. Tell me what's going, like, you're being accused of underscanning and allowing your aunt to walk out. Like, you know how many different felonies you can get from this? It's organized retail theft, basically, is what it is. Whether it was your idea or not, you went along with it. Did you get dropped off here, or is your vehicle in the...
My vehicle's here.
Okay.
Hey, I'm getting ready to go to jail
Can you have someone come get it?
because I let somebody walk out of here with stuff yesterday. Yeah. I don't know. So, I will let you know when I can get a bond hearing or whatever.
No, you'll have a bond tonight, set by me.
He said I'll have a bond setting set tonight. I'm not sure how much it was.
Where's your keys at for your vehicle? Are you able to have someone come get it? Because obviously you're not going to be allowed back on this property.
He's gonna call my aunt.
Shelly?
No,
Okay.
my Aunt Judy.
Okay. Do you have a phone number for Shelly?
I don't have anything for her. She made it very secretive, so I guess this is why.
Where are you going?
I was gonna go get my purse and stuff and put it in my car.
Is it inside? Okay, we'll have that come out. Just finish your cigarette.
Do I need to take my ID with me?
Not necessarily. I would take your cell phone with you so you can get phone numbers out of it.
And then I'll just put my cigarettes and my keys and everything in my purse. Or,
Because I have your information, so you don't necessarily need your ID. It wouldn't hurt to take your wallet and phone with you, but that's really your choice.
and I'll leave my ring. And do I need to take earrings and everything out? Or
You will be made to at the jail, yeah. Is it just your purse inside?
I believe so, yes.
So she took 8 shopping carts?
Altogether in the hour, it was 8 shopping carts full of stuff.
Where did the $1,000 number come from?
It was probably over that amount because there were totes full of things that we couldn't even see what was in them. So she's estimating.
You didn't happen to get her on video writing the statement, did you?
Yeah.
She is on video writing the statement?
Yeah.
Is
I
that-
can add that to that.
Yeah, if we would do that, that would just be a little icing on the cake, so to speak. And what I'll do is I'll just take the copied version of everything.
Okay.
Or the receipts you have are on here, you said? Or what you...
Well, I have the beginning, like where she scanned one thing and then gave them their copy of the receipt and they walked out with 2 carts full of stuff.
Okay, cool.
That's on there. All the ones that I had time to put on there are on there. So
Okay.
if you guys need anything else, we can do it all from here. We don't actually have to wait for them to send it to us, which is kind of nice.
Yeah, this is a good starting point right here, so... How long has she been working here?
At this store, only a couple months. Or not even a month. She came from the other Anthony store, so the way she did it, I have a feeling that this is not the first time.
Yeah, I'm sure.
And wasn't
And
gonna
she
be the
wouldn't
last
give y'all
thing.
she wouldn't give y'all her aunt's name?
I don't. It looks like her mom.
Looks like her mom.
And they were driving a red van, because you can kind of see it off to the side, because she walks out to it. And
Were y'all able to get, y'all have outside cameras?
But you can see the van in the corner.
I was just wondering if you were able to get a tag, if it was going to be if I can get a tag number from the video, but probably not from that angle.
You can only see the side of it.
That would probably help us identify, at least identify the aunt or mom or whoever it is, you know.
There's that. And then I'll grab this here.
Just what I need from you is going to be, hey, on this day, yesterday, or
This morning.
this morning when you saw the video or whatever, just say, hey, on video I saw our employee, her
False
name,
ringing.
false ringing,
Okay.
and then mention, you know, what you saw. You watched the video, you saw the lady putting, whatever you saw, the lady putting stuff in the basket, a male getting it out, the two black females. Like I said, I don't need all the details of what was stolen because I have all that right here. I have a witness statement form I'm actually going to...
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that I'm actually going to give you. You can just come outside with me. So, we'll get you squared away. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry, babe. Take that.
She's going to come out and do a witness statement. I'll give her that form.
While she's doing one. You got all that. Where's her person?
Oh,
yeah,
I'm sorry. Will you grab my shoes, please?
Whose shoes are those?
Mine. My work shoes.
Okay.
I have slides.
Oh, okay.
She'll get the keys for her car and lock everything up. And you said you have a family member that's going to come get your car?
Where do you want us to leave your keys?
I'll just leave the door unlocked.
You sure?
Probably not the greatest idea.
Your feet aren't sweating now.
Let me look in your purse, make sure you ain't got no weapons.
This analysis sets aside the retelling of events to focus on 4 legal questions: liability without a direct taking, the timing of a Miranda warning, the scope of a search before transport, and the precision of the statute an officer cites aloud. Miranda versus Arizona from 1966 requires a custodial warning once a reasonable person no longer feels free to leave. The warning here came before the arrest was announced, closing off any later challenge to what followed. A separate, unprompted remark made afterward would not have needed Miranda's protection anyway, since it governs interrogation, not volunteered statements. Florida Statute Section 812.014 sets grand theft of the third degree at $750 to $20,000. The loss here, $1,095.95, fits that range. The employee never took merchandise herself, but Florida Statute Section 777.011 makes anyone who aids or procures an offense a principal in the first degree, punishable as if they committed it directly. One imprecision stands out. Florida Statute Section 812.015 defines organized retail theft as thefts aggregated over 30 to 120 days or coordination among 5 or more people. Neither applies to a single 2-person incident. The actual charge was ordinary grand theft. Chimmel v. California from 1969 allows officers to search an arrestee's person and immediate reach without a warrant for weapons or evidence before transport. The purse check here stayed within that safety purpose, rather than becoming a broader evidence search, which is what kept it constitutional.
The universal precaution I gotta take.
I did something stupid yesterday. I'm not that stupid.
Well, do you have any money to bond yourself out of jail or anything?
No.
Then you can leave it in here. If you want to take your ID with you, you can. I'll bring your ID, do that, and your cell phone. We'll be good to go.
I do have fake teeth. Am I gonna have to leave those with you guys too?
That's good. I have no idea. You got your cell phone?
Yeah.
I'll take that. Let's go over here and have a seat in my car while we get finished doing everything and get this going.
You have anything else you want to bring? Since you've been so cooperative, just put your hands in the front. I'm not gonna make you turn around and put mine in the back.
And this is just eczema. I don't have like.
Oh, is that contagious?
No.
I have no idea.
I'm gonna find out.
No, it's
I
not.
thought it was just birthmarks that you had.
No.
So you've been cooperative to make this as easy and comfortable as possible. Okay? Appreciate it.
Mind if I wait to see how much it is?
That's fine. You can wait.
Like you said, $750 or less. It's a misdemeanor.
I'm watching, I guess.
So,
How do they know? I guess they followed around the store and watched what
well, they got
stuff.
video cameras. I mean, everywhere.
All over the place.
All over
Yeah,
the
I
place.
know.
So, they invest big money into that kind of thing, and before they call us, they do their due diligence. So.
Are they saying this is the only time? Do they suspect other times? or do
Right
they have-
now, this is all they're saying, and that's all she said. This is the first and only time. So until we know otherwise, yeah, we're just treating this like a isolated ordeal. So.
The responding deputy earns a grade of A-.
No.
The arrest rested on independently verifiable evidence. The Miranda warning was given proactively, and the search stayed within its lawful scope. The only deduction is the loose, statutorily imprecise reference to organized retail theft. The employee earns a grade of B-. Full cooperation kept the encounter free of resistance or escalation, a genuine credit. However, after being warned of her right to remain silent, she kept speaking without requesting counsel, and later volunteered a potentially incriminating
How do they
remark
know?
unprompted,
I guess they followed
reflecting
around the
limited
store,
use of the
watched
rights
Well, they
she
got
had just
video
been
cameras.
given. 2 lessons follow. A Miranda warning protects only those who use it, since no answer is legally required afterward. And precise statutory language chosen deliberately rather than casually closes gaps that a later court proceeding might otherwise exploit. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.